Welcome everyone, this is Mr. Prem. Today we are going to see how to install PyCharm IDE in Windows OS. PyCharm is very famous IDE in the case of Python development. So let's see how to install PyCharm in the Windows OS. We are going to follow easy steps. So let's start our favorite browser. So I will be starting my Firefox. Okay, I have already searched the Python download. After searching for the PyCharm download, okay, the very first link that I will get of JetBrains. Okay, so actually this is the official website. So I will click on this. Here two things you will find. Okay, professional and community version. Basic development of the Python, you can download the community version. Okay, community version is free and open source. So pure Python development you can do, but if you want to enjoy the flavor of HTML, CSS and SQL, so you should use the professional version. So we'll be using the community version. Okay, and I will be clicking on the download. It will start downloading automatically. First it will prompt. Also it is prompting, okay, do you want to download? Okay, so I will click on cancel since I have already downloaded it. So I will click on cancel button, and I will go inside the download folder, and you can see I have already downloaded the PyCharm. So I will double click on this. I will click on next. It is asking the path where the PyCharm is going to be installed. So I will choose the default path. I will not change, but if you want to change, then you can change. So I will click on the next button. Here it is asking various options, whether you want to create a desktop shortcut. Yes, I want to create. Yes, I want to add the path variable. Okay, to the, yes, I want to add a launcher directory to the path. Yes, I want to add. And yes, add open folder as a project, and create association of all .py files to my PyCharm. Yes, I am going to say yes and click on the next. Click on the install. So my installation is started now. It will take few time, and my installation procedure will get finish. So it is taking time. So it's done. It is asking, do you want to reboot? So currently I don't want to reboot. I will do later. Click on finish. To confirm whether it is a successful install, I will go on the desktop. It will be creating the one shortcut on the desktop. I will double click to start, and it is asking, do you want to confirm the terms and condition user agreement? So I just checked and click on continue to confirm and to accept the terms and condition. Okay. It is asking, okay, data sharing about, okay, what is happening with your system, whether it's working fine or not fine. Okay. So whether it is working fine with your system or not, if it is get crashed, do you want to send the data to the JetBrains or not? So currently I will say don't sends, and it is asking to choose the theme, whether you want to use a dark theme or light theme. So I will use the light theme, and I will say that, okay, skip remaining as a set as default. Okay. So that I should be able to open the PyCharm. So here it is asking for create a project. So if you want to create a project, it just click on create new, and project name it is asking here. You can see currently untitled. So it is, I will say, first project, and click on create. So it is using by default, whatever the environment is there, I will leave it as it is. Click on create. So project is about to create. So it is giving some shortcut for as a tip. It is showing some shortcut as a tip. So I will say close. So it has successfully created a project. So in this project, you can create a module of Python. Okay, create new Python file. I will say new directory first. That is for testing purpose. So test. inside that directory, I am going to have new Python file first script, and click on enter. Here I can write print hello world, and I will go in the run. So hello world, it is printed here. If I once again run, it is asking which thing need to be run. Okay, so run. But after running, run first script, it is what now it is showing. Run first script, hello world. So thank you everyone for listening. Hit the like button if you like this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone, and have a great day.